Welcome to the virtual platform of Institute of Banking Studies, the #1 institute in India for bankers coaching and competitive examination preparation. There are different types of questions asked for the vocabulary in SSC, IBPS, SBI, UPSC and other government exams in English section. The English section in competitive exams consists reading, comprehension, fill in the blanks, error finding, para-jumble, idioms and phrases, antonyms and synonyms, and cloze test, etc. In the English section, it is vital to know the meaning of the question and to solve it. The English vocabulary will help you to understand the meaning and what the question actually means. To ease out your worries about to improve your vocabulary in English and grammar, we are going to present to you important English vocabulary words with meanings and examples. Let's jump right into it. We'll be discussing 5 words today. The first word in this section is deferment. D E F E R M E N T. Deferment. Deferment. The meaning of the word deferment is the act of delaying or postponing something. For example, John requested a 6-month deferment on his loan. The next word in this section is bewilder. B E W I L D E R. Bewilder. To become bewildered is to become perplexed, confused, or very puzzled. For example, he looked bewildered as he explained the situation to us. He gave me another bewildered look. At first, he was so bewildered that he couldn't answer. The next word in this section is jurisprudence. Jurisprudence. J U R I S P R U D E N C E. Jurisprudence. The meaning for jurisprudence is a theory of law or philosophy of law. For example, he has a basic respect for American jurisprudence and its traditions. In some ways, our system of jurisprudence was on trial here. He called it politics masquerading as jurisprudence. The next word in this section is oblaterate. Oblaterate. O B L I T E R A T E. Oblaterate. Oblaterate means to destroy utterly or wipe out. Examples are: yet spirit worship has not been able to obliterate the idea of God. The dictator's army is going to obliterate the rebels' small village in less than 5 minutes. The last word in this section is tranquil. T R A N Q U I L. Tranquil. Tranquil means free from disturbance or being calm. I'm so tranquil and happy now. The meadow was tranquil sight, far from the main roads of present-day habitation. I'm going to end this session with a happy and tranquil mind. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next session real soon, and greetings from Team IBS.